Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside the subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press the subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the thumbs up. Okay guys, as you saw in the thumbnail, I held up two base boxes. These are my two paid for versions that I get on my channel. I usually choose, which I did this month, something for the choice item in one and then a different one in the other. I also, before sitting down here, I open up all my boxes. I remove any excess packaging. I make sure everything that is on the card is in the box and that there's no damages, so I could deal with all of that before I sit down here just to go through the products with you guys. So on my Instagram, my name there is True Ones with the number 2. I hope you'll follow me there. When I opened all this up, I saw two things that surprised me. Number one, both boxes had a palette in it, and I know for sure that I did not choose. I chose the palette for one and the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow for the other. So I immediately went under Boxycharm's bot, which is under the help section, and I wrote to them that I am missing my choice item. We'll see what happens when they write me back. But they ended up putting the same palette in both boxes. So I do have my card here, and that's why I'm gonna go through just a couple of the items that are different. But more importantly, this month was the first time that Boxycharm gave to the channel a base box under PR, which I think is really, really fantastic. I know that there's different levels of people that get PR. From what I'm understanding, the one that got offered to True Wants was the base box. And then during the Lux months, they're saying I'll get a Lux month. But like I said, I'm new to this. So the base box that came in PR, we already opened up, and thank you to everyone who watched. And I appreciate so much how you guys were so generous with your comments in that video. But we went through all of it and we swatched everything there. So if you haven't seen that video, I will definitely leave that linked in the description box down below, because some of the items we already opened up and swatched in that video. So in this video, I'm only going to be showing you the actual items that were in this box, and there's a couple of them that are different in my first paid. In my second paid, it ended up being pretty much almost, I think, a complete duplicate to what was the PR box. So for all the people that think, you know, PR people get, you know, special boxes, they don't. It is a variation, and the same way that I'm choosing to keep my paid versions is I like having choice. I like knowing what is going to be coming in my boxes. And also, by sharing with you guys, the whole reason for my channel and why I started it was I wanted to be able to, I wasn't seeing this out there for the information that I wanted. I was looking for more informative videos, more about the products and the brands than the actual person that was talking to the camera. So that's what I wanted this channel to be about. I wanted it to be about the brands, the products, and the deals. And then I started getting into spoilers because I was finding that information out for myself, and then I decided to sit down and film that as well. So that's what this channel is all about. So if you're not subscribed to this channel and that's of interest to you, I really hope that you will. But now let's get into the information that's here, and then I'm going to share with you some information at the end of this video that I think would be of interest to you as well. So make sure that you watch the video all the way through. Majority of you do, because you always share that in the comments down below, and I do appreciate that as well. All right, starting with the first item here. This is the Wonder Beauty palette. This is the Sweet Escape. This was made exclusively, currently it's an exclusive drop to Boxycharm. This is the one that I got in my PR box. So this one is a duplicate. So we're just going to put that in my giveaway for later. I'll just show you up close so that if you didn't see that video, but I really recommend that you do, because we shared a lot of information on that. I wore all of the products on my face to share with you. I went through my thoughts and everything. So I really went thorough on that. So I don't want to do that on this video as well. So that is all of the colors that are in here. It wore beautifully. It was really, really impressive. I enjoy it. I like Wonder Beauty, and that is the first item that is in here. The next one that is on the card here is from Earth Harbor, and this one is new to me, and this one is called the Nebula, and they're saying it is a clarity ampule, and they're saying this is the answer to finding peaceful energy and the light within your skin, both a potent clarifying treatment and a gentle glow enhancing elixir. This ampule is a feather light flash absorbing formula that is specifically designed to help distressed skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excess oil. That sounds fantastic. This on its own is a $46 value. And if I didn't mention, and if you're not familiar, the base box is the starter box where Boxycharm started, and it runs now around $30 with all the taxes and the $1.99s and all of that. And the values on these boxes are absolutely fantastic, but Boxycharm is the one that started us getting full-size products, as opposed to how this industry started with subscription boxes, was always in sample sizes. So this is one of the, it's absolutely stunning. I will definitely play with this tonight. Any oils or anything like that, I always try at night because I am a combo girl. But what I like about this one is it's saying that this is good for acne prone, blemished, and excess oil. So for me, this is a winner. And if it's great, I'll be able to use this one also during the day. The next one in here is from Persona, and this is another one that we got in the PR package. And this one here is the E-Balm, and it's in the exact same color that is called Manifest. And that is the one that I wore on my lips in that video. They're saying this is a balm, and when you read on your card, it will say that it's sheer, but as you can see in that video, it was not sheer at all. It really was a beautiful red color. This is a very moisturizing lip product. I definitely put a lip liner on when I wore it because I was afraid, because it was so emollient, that it would end up going, you know, a little bit more than just on the lip area. So that is from my stash now from the PR box. The other one is from True Luscious. This one I did not receive. This is new to me. This is the one that's called Angel Eyes. It's an eyeshadow primer, and it is in True Luscious. My makeup was already done for the day when this box came, but it looks like this might have a tint to it. So I will definitely play with this and figure out, see if there's a seal on this or anything. There's no seal on this. So let me just put a little bit on the back of my hand to see if there is a tint. It looks like there is. And this is great because when you get these eye primers that have a bit of a tint, I don't have this issue with my eyes. But a lot of my friends do, and they have where they're, if they're fairer skin toned, they end up with these veins almost popping through, or they have discoloration. And a lot of them will even just put a primer on their eyes, even if they're not wearing eyeshadow, to take away some of that redness or that ruddiness or those veins showing through. So that is a really deep color. For one that I guess this will be good for everybody from fair all the way to deeper skin tones. But if you got this in the past, please make sure to share that in the comments. I would love to know. The next item that is in here is from Farah. And this is another one that we received. So this I'm going to leave in here. The box feels empty, but I checked. There is one inside. And this is an 18-hour liquid eyeliner. Again, I wore that in the PR box unboxing. Like I said, I will link that video down below. And this is what this looks like here. This is the one that I used in that video there. It went on beautifully. I liked it. This is one that, you know, liquid liners, make sure if you're ever using them and you're storing them, store them always where the actual formula inside gets to the tip. Otherwise, it will dry out a lot faster as well. And that is everything that was in this version. And this is the number 230103BA. Then in the other box, what I ended up getting, again, let me just put this over here. We got, starting with the eyeshadow palette, which should have been the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. Then I got this item in here, which would be newer to me. This is the Skin Ink. It is a Serum Glow filter. I'm gonna have to check my stash because when I opened this up, it looked very familiar to me, but I know this company does a lot that they look the same, but they could be different. So I'm going to check my notes on this one. And what this one says, it says it's a blending beauty of technology all in one bottle. This is a clever, concentrated formulation with rare gold hibiscus extracts. And it also is Skin Inc.'s top 2 best-selling serums. It has niacinamide as well as the hyaluronic acid to give you that selfie filter. Real life. It's perfect for every day and uses light reflector technology that enables external light to bounce off your complexion for a glowy, pearlized, even finish. And this on its own is $50. So the values in the boxes are always, like I said, over the top. And there's always something in here that it always intrigues me. And when you have choice, you know usually that you're getting one item that you are excited to get. The fact that now this is the third one of this palette, one of this I'm going to share with you at the end of the video. I'm going to tell you what we're going to be doing. So on the next one here, in here is also from Persona. This is the same color in that shade called Manifest. I wish this came in other colors because that would have been a real treat in the boxes. And then the next one is from Lovecraft Beauty. This is another one that we got in the PR box. So I'm going to open the one up that I have here so I can show it to you. And on this one here, this is what this product looked like here. It is for the cheeks, the lips, as well as the eyes. And it has this coppery bronzy look to it. When I swatched it, like I said in that video, which I'm really hoping you'll watch because we worked really hard on that video, where you will see it like on my face, all the swatches, all of that is in there. And then the last item in here again is another one of the liquid liners. So as you can see, I got a lot of duplication. And so even so with me, when I get this much duplication in my regular 2 paid for versions, they usually end up that we end up doing a giveaway. I'm going to be doing a separate video on that because I have a lot that I want to share with you also in reference to my thoughts and giveaways and the channels and all of that about being a YouTuber. So I'm going to be doing another video on that. I hope you guys will watch that video as well. And if you've watched to the end of this video, which I really appreciate that you do, and I'll explain to you in the giveaway video why that is so important for a YouTuber, that you've made it to the end, just leave on it at the end of this video, TW. So I'll know that for True Wants that you were all the way to the end. So I appreciate that so much. Thank you for everybody that has been part of the growth of this channel. I'm very excited that at the beginning of the month, I got that PR that I was able to try it on and then share with you all my thoughts and swatch and do all of that in that video, so that we would be able to, as paid customers, be able to know a little bit more about the products. And then if we were interested and we didn't get the base and we only get the premium, then you would be able to see if it was available in the drop shop and things like that. So like I said, I'm going to do a video where I'm going to be sharing a lot of my thoughts and feelings in reference to some other things outside of this. But right now I wanted to open up these 2 boxes to share with you and tell you everything that's going on. And I will see you all soon again in the next one. All right, take care everybody. Continue to stay safe and well. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.